go ahead and check in with Scott Padgett now. Again, Scott, all our attention going into the weekend is on the winter temperatures that are coming through.
Yeah, the temperatures on top of freezing drizzle, some sleet back into the forecast, and accumulating snow. Fort Worth Skycam still iced over 25 degrees in Fort Worth with that feels like temperature of 13 degrees. So the satellite and radar combined right now showing that we have the cloud cover in place, not really picking up on any of the drizzle that's going to be developing. And we have that freezing drizzle in the forecast going into the evening hours. Patchy freezing drizzle, but still could cause some problems on some of our bridges and overpasses as we have already experienced this week. Looking at what's going on in the wide view, we don't see a lot of the snow yet, but that's going to be coming going into Saturday into Sunday as that upper level system gets closer towards North Texas. So 26 officially at DFW, the current temperature, with northerly winds at 15, feeling like the teens, and that's the story all across the Metroplex, feeling like 16 in Addison, 13 in McKinney to 17 in Rockwall. So it's a very cold afternoon, finally Friday afternoon, and we haven't thawed out at all. So the next few hours, we remain in the low 30s to the upper 20s, actually, hour by hour. Our temperature is slightly cooler than this. We'll be able to adjust those temperatures as we have this cold air that's in place, starting out at 22 degrees for tomorrow morning, and then we only warm up to maybe 28 with that wind chill of 10 degrees tomorrow morning. Northerly winds holding on near about 15 to 20, and we're going to be dealing with the potential of that winter precip. So winter storm warning going into effect tomorrow morning, and then lasting until 6 p.m. on Monday. That does include all of North Texas. Why is it a winter storm warning? This is what we're thinking with our winter weather timing. I know I showed this before. We want to show it to you many times so you can just have this settle into your brain a bit. Tonight into tomorrow midday, areas of light freezing drizzle. That will cause some problems on the bridges and overpasses, those elevated surfaces. Then going into tomorrow afternoon, midday on Sunday, increasing freezing drizzle and some sleet possible, some pockets of sleet that again adds that glaze to the roadways. Then on top of that, Sunday night and Monday, we have the significant winter storm on the way. 2 inches to 7 inches of snow accumulation possible with winds of 20 to 30, gusting more than 40 miles per hour. Reduces the visibility and also brings those wind chills down below zero. So let's walk it through on the Futurecast. Here you can see it's not really picking up on that drizzle, but here we are by Sunday morning, that mix of the sleet and freezing rain. Here comes the snow from the northwest. That then starts to make its way down to the southeast even more as this upper level low is closer. Still seeing that mix holding on in our southeast counties, but then the heaviest snow going into us overnight, Sunday into Monday morning, before we then finally see that start to clear out just a bit more. So the snowfall potential is there. Anywhere between about 2 to 7 inches of snow accumulation is possible. Not every single person is going to see exactly 7 inches, but when we have the heavier snow move through overnight on Sunday into Monday, that's when I expect to see that accumulation really start to pile up. I haven't even touched though how cold it's going to be here in North Texas and those dangerous wind chills. Let's bring in meteorologist Aaron Moran for more on that.
Well, we've been talking about that Arctic air kind of plunging down to the south. And when we look at national temperatures, you can see temperatures this afternoon sitting in the negatives the farther north you are into the northern plains and then kind of stretching towards the Great Lakes region as well. But down here in North Texas hasn't reached us quite yet. We are dealing with Arctic air of our own, though, with temperatures sitting in the 20s across most of the region. So as we look at high temperatures over the next 6 days, a high of 26 for tomorrow, 21 on Sunday. Yes, these are high temperatures. Forecast at 11 on Monday, 17 on Tuesday, 28 on Wednesday, potentially looking at highs around 27 as we get into Thursday. And please keep in mind, we haven't been at freezing for 69 hours at this point, currently sitting at 26 degrees. So we're talking about this Arctic air really sort of moving in, just coinciding with that snowfall potential. We could be looking at tying a record on Sunday, possible record low Monday morning and Tuesday morning, and then wind chills in the negatives as we get into Monday morning and Tuesday morning as well. So bitterly cold with this 7-day forecast, especially getting into early next week. And of course, that just kind of coming right along with the snowfall, 2 inches to 7 inches of snowfall. You also notice Wednesday and Thursday of next week, we've got another round of snow in the forecast, Ken.
Okay, thank you very much, Aaron. Thank you, folks. If you